What's the meaning of ambition? Ambition. 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 Ambition.
Ambition refers to a strong desire or goal that one has for themselves, which often involves achieving success, power, or wealth. It is a driving force that motivates individuals to work hard and pursue their dreams. Those with ambition are often determined, focused, and have a clear vision of what they want to achieve. The result of ambition can lead to personal satisfaction, financial stability, and recognition from others. However, it may also lead to negative effects such as stress, burnout, and a lack of work-life balance.